Hello everyone, my name is Hannah and welcome back to another BritCent video. For those of you planning to move to the UK, here are some essential terms and phrases related to banking. Let's start with some basic information. The major banks in the UK are Lloyds, TSB, Nationwide, Halifax, Santander and NatWest. They are all high street banks and can be found in every city. Metro Bank is popular with students as it's easier to open an account for international students and workers. They also stay open late but have fewer branches throughout the UK. Monzo is an increasingly popular online bank as it doesn't charge you whilst abroad. Okay, let's imagine you've chosen a bank. Now you will need to open an account. You can simply ask, how do I open a current account? Or tell the bank clerk, I'd like to open an account please. You can also close your account if you choose to leave. You are usually offered two options. A savings account is not used for everyday purchases, but to hold money and build interest. You may want to ask, what are the interest rates on your savings accounts? This question is in plural because usually there are various types. A current account is used for everyday purchases. You could ask, what type of current accounts do you offer? Or, do you offer student current accounts? During this process, you may want to set up online banking or ask, how can I use online banking? Registering for this is different for each bank. Until now, I've been using the term purchases. In fact, when it comes to banking, transaction is more accurate. If we make a transaction, we move money in some way, whether it be from one account to another when making a purchase or a refund. For example, log into your account to see a list of your transactions, or I'd like a copy of my transactions from last month. Sending money from one account to another is better known as transferring money. For example, is there a fee for transferring money internationally? Or can I transfer money from my savings account to my current account? This transaction can be referred to as a transfer, so it is a verb and a noun. Another transaction is a cash withdrawal, which is the noun. Withdraw is a verb, so you may ask, can I withdraw £100 from my account please? Or, do you charge for cash withdrawals abroad? Hopefully, you will also need to deposit some money or make a deposit. This means you have put money into your account. For example, hello, I need to deposit this cheque. Or, I'd like to deposit £200 cash please. Our final collocations refer to loans and mortgages, which has a silent T. The verbs used are the same and go in this order. Apply for plus a loan. Get accepted for plus a loan. Take out plus the loan. And finally, pay off plus the loan. You may want to say, I took out a loan to pay off my university debt, or I'm applying for a mortgage with my partner. Before I go, I should mention that ATM is an American term. Some Brits are familiar with it, but cash machine or cash point is more commonly used in the UK. So you may want to ask, is there a cash machine nearby? Or where is the nearest cash point? That was a lot of vocabulary for one video. Well done for making it to the end. Do you have a British bank account? What do you think of our banks? Comment below because we love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.